Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the US dollar Swiss, I mean, like I've been saying for more than a week now, if this is the end of a pullback over here, it will go down and take out the previous lows. What's been going on over the last, several weeks is we got lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Definitely no reason as of yet to think that this move down is over. Now, if it makes a Fibonacci bounce, goes up and breaks the series of lower lows, lower highs, then yeah, definitely we will go back to looking for longs. But for me, especially, the trend is your friend, and I definitely always trade with the higher time frame trend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are starting to bounce our head off of a Fibonacci level. So I would be very cautious about sorting it right here. But to be honest with you, there's really no reason to say that it's going to stop here. I mean, it could just make a little bounce and just keep on going down. So be very careful with your sorts. I personally would only be looking for sorts, but I would also only be looking to go short at the end of a pullback. I wouldn't be trying to go short with it bouncing its head right off a Fibonacci level, which is likely going to be a little bit of an area of support. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.